Love isn't always simple, and passion often comes at a price. Welcome to Intrigue Romance, where secrets, betrayal, and forbidden desires collide. Tonight, we take you into a story you won't forget, where love is never what it seems. The pandemic had brought with it challenges that no one in our family could have predicted. With schools closed and social interactions limited, my 11-year-old daughter, Lily, was struggling to find ways to occupy her time. She had always been an artistic and curious child, but being stuck at home had dulled her usual spark. One afternoon, as we were scrolling through ideas for at-home activities, Lily stumbled upon a video about growing vegetables at home. The video featured a girl close to her age planting cucumbers and harvesting them weeks later. Lily's eyes lit up with excitement. "Mom, can we try this? Can I grow something too?" I smiled at her enthusiasm. "Of course, sweetie. Let's start with cucumbers. They're easy to grow and delicious." The very next day, we went to the garden center. Lily carefully picked out a packet of cucumber seeds, a bag of nutrient-rich soil, and some small pots. She even insisted on buying a little pink watering can, claiming it would make her plants grow faster. When we got home, Lily couldn't wait to start. We spent the afternoon on the patio, filling pots with soil and planting the seeds. I showed her how to space them out and explained the importance of watering them regularly. She listened intently, determined to do everything perfectly. Over the next few weeks, Lily poured her heart into caring for her plants. She set a morning alarm to remind herself to water them and spent hours watching YouTube videos on gardening tips. One morning, she came running into the kitchen, her face glowing with excitement. "Mom, they're sprouting. Come see." Sure enough, tiny green shoots were breaking through the soil. It was the first time I'd seen her this excited in weeks, and it warmed my heart. As the cucumber plants grew taller, Lily's excitement only grew. She took great care in tying the vines to the trellis I had built for her, making sure they were secure but not too tight. She even gave each plant a name, Lucy, Charlie, and Bella, and insisted that talking to them would help them grow. By midsummer, the plants were thriving, their vines covered with small cucumbers. One sunny morning, Lily decided it was time to harvest. She carefully picked the ripest cucumbers and brought them inside, cradling them like treasures. "Look, Mom, aren't they perfect?" "They're beautiful, Lily," I said, hugging her. "Let's see how they taste." I sliced into one of the cucumbers, and the fresh, crisp scent filled the kitchen. I took a bite and was immediately impressed. It was sweet, juicy, and far better than any cucumber I had ever bought from the store. "Lily, this is incredible. You've done such an amazing job." Her face lit up with pride. "You really think so, Mom?" "I know so," I said, beaming at her. The cucumbers quickly became a staple in our meals. We added them to salads, sandwiches, and even infused our water with them. Lily would smile every time she saw her cucumbers on the table, knowing her hard work had paid off. Encouraged by her success, Lily decided to expand her garden. She planted cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, and even a small herb patch. Gardening became more than just a hobby. It became a way for us to bond as a family. Even her younger brother, Jack, got involved, helping her water the plants and pick weeds. One evening, as we sat down for dinner, Lily looked at the colorful salad she had made entirely from her garden. "Mom, I think I want to be a chef or maybe a botanist when I grow up. I love making things grow." "That's a wonderful dream, Lily," I said, squeezing her hand. "And I know you'll be amazing at whatever you choose." Looking back, I realized that the little garden Lily started wasn't just about cucumbers. It was about growth, in her confidence, her patience, and her ability to take on a challenge. Watching her care for her plants and light up with pride at every small victory reminded me of the beauty in life's simple joys. Our backyard became more than just a patch of grass. It became a space filled with laughter, learning, and love. And every time I tasted one of Lily's cucumbers, I was reminded of how much good could come from a little seed, some dirt, and a lot of care.